Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my parents' home. My mom has this beautiful backdrop that I love. My paps want to get in. So that's why this background's different, because it's my mom's office. So that's great that I get to use it. And she has this beautiful ring that like just makes everything look nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do like an unboxing from my Friendsmas this past Sunday. Me and all my friends got together. We all like, it was like kind of a potluck, but we all brought food and we sat around and it was really cute. So much fun to hang out with them and celebrate with them because they're amazing people and I love them. So I'm just gonna show you the few things that I got, and I'll do swatches on the makeup that they got me because they know me very well. So me and my friend Caitlin have been obsessed, and I'm not kidding you, obsessed with fuzzy Crocs. They're like Crocs that have fuzz in the inside of them. They're amazing, and we searched everywhere. We were like, this is what we're getting each other for Christmas, nothing else. Hold on, there's spots on my glasses, I can't see. It's driving me nuts. So, we looked everywhere. We looked on Amazon, we looked on the Crocs website, we looked on like shoes, we looked on Zappos, we looked at Kohl's, we looked on Kohl's website, we looked everywhere. And they all sold our Crocs, but no one, they were all sold out of 7s and 8s, which Caitlin's a 7, I'm an 8, and shoes. So we were like, oh my god. So our last like ditch effort, we were like, let's go to Shields, which is this, if you don't know, it's like this giant warehouse, like sports place. It's like kind of like a Bass Pro Shop or Cabela's or something like that. But so we go there. There's a giant Ferris wheel inside. We head straight to the shoes. We like beeline it straight to the section that the Crocs are in, and I see the white ones with the gray fuzz on the inside, and there's 2 of them. And I walk up and I'm like, please, God, let there be our 2 sizes. Like, please. I walk up and I see a women's 7, and I was like, oh my god, I can at least get Caitlin some. Like, oh my god, great. I look at the other one, size 8, and I look at Caitlin and I'm like, these are our shoes! And we're like jumping up and down in the middle of Shields, like so excited over Crocs, and no one understood why. But so she got me these Crocs. They're amazing, like so fuzzy on the inside. I wore them today. They're like so warm. Like I have socks on with them, but you wouldn't even really need like socks with them. But they're so warm. They are just amazing. I love them. They're Crocs. I've wanted Crocs since I was like several years ago. But I used to have Crocs when I was a kid. But they were amazing. The other thing that Caitlin got me, because if anyone knows me, I'm obsessed with ice cream. I always want to eat ice cream. I will literally ask to go get ice cream like 8 times out of the week. Like, I just love ice cream. It's my favorite thing in the whole world. And we work together at Bed Bath & Beyond, and there's this ice cream maker that you can make a pint of ice cream. And I was like, this is what I want. I need it. I love it. I want it. And everyone was like, Maddie, you don't need to make ice cream. It's a waste of time. Like, it's stupid. Don't do it. Well, Caitlin believed in my dreams and got me the ice cream maker. It's by Dash. It's my pint ice cream maker. And I'll show you. So, and if you're wondering, I am sitting on the floor. So this is the top of it. You plug it in. It comes with a spoon. And then this is the thing that you freeze, that like you can hear it. You freeze it, and then you put this in there so you can like carry your ice cream with you. And then this is the little thing that you put in that like stirs it so it makes ice cream. And then it comes with like the directions and stuff. So it says hello foodie, and then you can register your product online to double your product's warranty. I haven't done that, but I'm going to, because what if this thing breaks? I want another one. So we'll see. But it gives you like a few different recipes. So there's classic vanilla ice cream, there's frozen yogurt, there's raspberry sorbet, and then sundae ideas and stuff. So that's pretty cool. That comes with like recipes and stuff along with the directions, because I don't have any recipes to make ice cream. I was just gonna go on Pinterest and find some. So that's really cool, but I'll kind of show you how it works. So you just put this in the top, and I believe you just freeze it for like the night or something. I don't know. I haven't looked at this much because I've been at work all week. So let it sit, and it comes with my little ice cream, and it holds it in the handle. Amazing, right? Best present ever. I love it. So that was really awesome to get that from her. So then my next present that I got, it was really cute. So my friend Annie, she watches my YouTube videos. So Annie, hello. But she knows that I'm obsessed with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I only had the mini size, and she kept texting, like I was texting her, and I was like, I need to go to Ulta and stuff, and she was like, text me when you go, and now it makes sense because she wanted to know if I was going to pick up my Tarte Shape Tape. So it came in this really cute box, and it came with this mini beauty blender, which I thought was amazing, and then she watched my YouTube video walking around to find what shade I am. So then she got me it, and it has this cute little flamingo charm on it, and I'm the shade light medium. And literally, I'm obsessed. This is amazing. I was about to go pick one up, and she was like, I'm so glad you didn't get one yet. So that was really awesome that I was able to get one of those. And this will last me forever because I'm still not done with my mini. So that was from Annie. And then Annie also got me, because she knew that I make YouTube videos, and I have been talking about getting a ring light for my phone so that my like videos are like evenly lighted. So she went and she found this one. It's the, I don't know how to say that. It's QIAYA self ring light, rechargeable battery, universal compatibility, fashionable design, and it says time to make better selfies. So if it'll come, this is what the box looks like. There we go. And then let me get this out. So it just looks like this, and then it comes with a charging cord, which I believe I shoved in my stocking. This is my stocking, by the way. My friend Ange got it for me. It's so cute. But it comes with a charging cord, and you just plug it in, and then it clips onto your phone. My phone is recording right now, so I can't show you, but it just clips onto your phone, and then you push this button right here, and there's 3 different light settings, which is so cool. So I'm really excited to use this. Yeah, so once I find out how well it works, because I kind of already used it to take selfies, but I haven't used it to video record anything, so once I do, I'll let you know how it goes. But I have a great feeling about it. I was so excited to open this because I was like, what the heck is in this box? But it was like really cool to see that. And then my friend Donnelly got me this. It's the Power Hungry by MAC eyeshadow palette. So it comes with like a little like film that tells you all the names of all of the shadows, and then there's a highlight over here. And I'm really excited to do this, but there's a film over the mirror. Oh, it looks beautiful. I love taking that off. It's my favorite part. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades and a highlight. So they're amazing. I'm gonna show you all the swatches. Who got me this stocking also got me the Jaclyn Hill Morphe, because she knows how much I love my original Jaclyn Hill palette that she got me, one of the Vault collections. This one is the Big Bling, or Bling Boss one. And I'm obsessed. The packaging is so cute. You can see it. And it just has the little things, and then it has purple in there, and it says Bling Boss up here. And in the back it says, I'm so excited to finally show you guys the shades I've stashed away in the vault. I hope you love this collection. XO Jaclyn Hill. And then this is the palette. It is so pretty. There's like a film over it, which is like my favorite thing. Then, so these are all the shades, and I really like it because it has like the names underneath here. And these are totally colors that I use on a daily basis. I can't wait to use Glitz and Glam and Bling Bling. These two right here. I love them. They're beautiful. I haven't used this yet because I haven't done my makeup in a few days. But literally so excited. I'm going to attach all of the other stuff that Ange got me was she got me this sheet mask. It's for dry, dehydrated skin, which is nice because my Curology, my medicine that for my acne, kind of dries out my skin a little bit. So I'm really excited to use this. I've used a few other Miss Spa face masks, so that's gonna be really fun. And then Annie got me these masks from the Body Shop. One is a Japanese matcha tea. I believe these are all like clay ones that you just put on and dry. This one is a British Rose, and then this one's Himalayan Charcoal. And they're all from the Body Shop, so I love the Body Shop, so I think that'll be good. And then Dawn also got me this Hemp Plus peel off face mask with rose hip oil and hemp seed. So this is what it looks like. But it's a peel off mask, and it's meant to, she read somewhere that rose hip oil is really good for acne and acne prone skin. So I'm really excited to use this. I will link a video of, okay, I'm back to do the trial of my plus peel off mask. So it says on here, after cleansing face squeeze, speaking today, after cleansing, squeeze mask gel onto clean fingertips, apply generously to face, avoid eyes, lips, and hairline. Let dry for 20 to 30 minutes or until completely dry. Peel off gently starting from edges. Rinse until particles are off. Pat face to dry. Cool. Take off my glasses. Can't see anything. Oh, it's like spilling out. Okay. Cool. That was almost disastrous. So I have some on my fingertips. I don't know if that's too much, but it came out when I opened the bottle, so we're gonna go with it. Okay, so it says apply generously to face. Oh, it's like, it smells really good. Okay. It's like so like sticky. I haven't used a peel off mask in so long. So I'm excited to try it. Oh my god, it like comes out so fast. Disaster. Okay. I want it to like be completely even. I'm going snowboarding tomorrow, so if I break out, at least I'm not putting makeup on tomorrow. Okay. Well, now that my fingers, you see that? It's like you know when you were a kid and you played with the glue and you'd make like the web kind of a thing. Maybe that was just me. But that's what it like looks like on my fingers. That's so funny. Okay. Wiping it off on this towel. And then it says just sit for 20 minutes, so I'm going to set a timer for 20 minutes. been like not even 10 minutes. But look. I don't know if you can see that. My face is like so shiny. It is like so tight. Like I feel like I just got Botox in my face and I'm just like I can't. Okay, it's only been like, how much time is on my timer? So it's only been 8 minutes. But this is like completely dry. Like I cannot move my face at all. So I'm gonna take it off. This started peeling up already, so it doesn't hurt to take off, so that's good. Sorry, my mom called and the video got out. But I think I got it all off. My face feels really like smooth. I mean, I still have a little bit. There's some in my eyebrow, but I'm not gonna just like pick at it because I want my eyebrows to come out. So I'm probably just gonna use warm water to get it out. But overall, so far, I like it. My face feels like really smooth. Generally with face masks, I usually get like results like the next day or so. So we'll see how it goes, but so far so good. I like it a lot. It doesn't hurt to peel off, so bonus points for me. And I think that's all. Oh, and then Anne gave me candy. I love candy. The best are these Hershey mints. I love them. Of unboxing things. Even though there wasn't a ton to unbox, but it was just showing you. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. I'll probably upload a video before Christmas again. Probably after Christmas. Sorry I've been gone so long. I have been busy with work and school, but finals are over. I made it through. We're good. But hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you know every time I post, even though I've been really bad about posting lately. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.